Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by gathering essentials: a recent iPhone, a charging cable, and the chosen Vtuber app. Plug the phone into power and enable Do Not Disturb so notifications don't break tracking. Open the app and grant camera and microphone permissions. This is required for face capture and lip sync. Calibrate portrait orientation and set frame rate to 60 FPS if supported. Higher FPS gives smoother tracking. Once done, import your model file so you can see live motion immediately. You now focus on configuring the avatar and linking the phone to your streaming machine. Import the model into the app and position its neutral pose. This reduces drift during long sessions. Tweak face, eye, and mouth sensitivity in small increments so expressions match your natural motion without jitter. Choose connection. USB gives lowest latency. Wi-Fi is convenient. Use the app bridge or OBS plugin to send video. Test motion and audio sync, and make micro adjustments until movement looks intentional and stable. You finish by preparing the scene and validating performance. Position lighting to illuminate your face evenly. Soft, front-facing light prevents false tracking, and enable the app chroma key or use a physical green screen for clean compositing. Record a 30 to 60-second rehearsal to verify face, lip sync, and mic levels, then adjust app gains and OBS audio filters for clarity. If tracking degrades, restart the app, re-grant camera permissions, reduce reflective glasses or harsh backlight, and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.